Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to convert a big headphone jack to a small headphone jack. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So once again, how to convert a big headphone jack to small. Super easy tutorial. So essentially, I have these headphones here that I use for my electronic drums, okay? And when we go to find the other end of the headphones, it is somewhere here, here they are down here. Sorry, I've kind of got it all like taped up and attached up, but this is the other end of the headphones. It is a small headphone jack, okay? I believe this is called 3.5 millimeter, this size, if I remember properly. I could be wrong, but I think this is called 3.5 millimeter, and this is called 1/4 inch, as far as I remember. But on my electronic drums, if you see over here, the headphone jack is a big headphone jack opening. So how do I use these headphones on that headphone jack right there? And if you're a musician or if you have anything to do with audio, this is a problem that you probably have quite frequently. You need something like this. Essentially, it's a converter or an adapter, okay? And if you want to use a big headphone jack with a small headphone jack, or vice versa, there's the opposite of this as well. They sell something that's like the opposite, where it has a small output and then a big input, okay? Yeah, but if you want, I believe they sell it. I think my dad has one somewhere in the basement, so I'm pretty sure they sell it. But all that you need is something like this. So I'll show you how it works. Basically, you're gonna get your small headphone jack over here, and we're gonna plug that in to the opening on this bigger headphone jack right here. I'm gonna try and do this with one hand, so just bear with me, okay? We're gonna plug it into the opening just like this. Can I do it with one hand? Of course I can, come on, is that even a question? Okay, so we're gonna go and we're gonna plug it in completely, make sure it's nicely plugged in. Then we're gonna take this big headphone jack now, which converts to a small one over here, and we're gonna plug it into wherever we wanna plug it into, which is the headphone section right here. And now, when I use the electronic drums, I can use these headphones, which are a small headphone jack type of headphone, with the big headphone jack opening right there. It's that simple. All that you need is a converter like this, and you can convert a big headphone jack to a small one, like a big headphone jack opening to a small one. And it's literally that simple. Honestly, it couldn't be easier to do it. And these are really inexpensive, and just get a good quality one, because then they'll last a long time. Like my dad, he's a musician, but by hobby, not by trade. He's a musician by hobby, as am I. Like it's not our careers, but you know, we like to play many different instruments. But he's had some of these for a long time. Even this, I think I got this about maybe like 12 years ago when I bought 10 years ago when I bought this drum set, give or take. And it still works perfectly fine. It still works flawlessly. No background noise, no interference, nothing like that. It just works really well. So I'm going to plug it back in. So the next time I go play the electronic drums, I don't wonder, you know, what's going on. And sometimes my kids come and play these. They ask me if it's okay first, obviously. And I say, most of the time I say yes, no problem. They're not going to wonder why no sound is coming out of the headphones. Yeah. So, you know, I'm just going to plug it in. But yeah, that's basically how it works. Really, really easy to do. A super easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.